This is the New Zealand Auckland Backland Beach, Backland Beach Primary School. Now we are three team is here. Routine sheet replace, all sheet remove, and new sheet install. This is the Backland Beach, Auckland, New Zealand. It look very nice. Very nice. This is the my team. 3 of one team. All roof, see, done, nearly done. So very nice. Thank you very much.